Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Marianne. So today's video, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be talking about this new brush that everyone has been trying and talking about for detangling, especially if you have natural hair. So yes, basically the first thing I am doing here is making sure my hair is moisturized. And then I'll go on to apply my regular hair products that I usually apply to my hair. The first one is this hair product called Radiant. It has sulfur in it and it helps your hair if you have dandruff. It does help your scalp. So I'm just going to massage that in and then move on to the next hair product. So for the next hair product, I'm going to section my hair. In that way, it's going to be easy for me to make sure the hair product goes evenly around my hair. Oh, it's water actually. So yeah, after water, then I will apply the main product to that section. So the product is called Moroccan Sleek Oil. It's used for your hair treatment. Basically, any oil at all would work for this, just to make sure your hair is oiled. So you only need like 2 or 3 pumps for that little section. And right now I'm just putting the rest of my hair away because it was just giving me too much problem. So next thing I apply to my hair is leave-in conditioner. I'll be using Cantu leave-in conditioner. You don't need too much, but you need a good amount just to make sure your hair is well conditioned. Because one trick I found about this brush is your hair has to be very well moisturized and have enough leave-in conditioner for it to work perfectly for you. You cannot use this kind of brush on a dry hair. As you can see, I've applied every single thing, water, cream, leave-in conditioner and oil, and you can see that the brush is working perfectly for me. It's just going through my hair smoothly. As I was combing my hair, I figured out that I still have some natural hair, some relaxed hair at the tip of my hair. So I'm just going to cut that out. As you guys know, recently I did a big chop, but this just confirmed that I did not do a very good job. So during my process here, I was just chopping off some relaxed hair that were also left behind. So now I've moved on to another section. I'll be doing the same thing that I did with the first one. Apply water, oil, leave-in conditioner and cream, hair cream, and then I'll use the comb. So far the comb is actually working really good. As you can tell from the first section, just make sure your hair is well moisturized and enough cream for the comb to work perfectly for you. Otherwise you struggle with it. There was a stage where I didn't apply a lot of products on my hair. This one actually did not have enough product too, and you can see that I'm kind of struggling with it. I was kind of rushing to somewhere, that's why I wasn't paying too much attention to the product, but that really did help me because then I figured out that you actually do need enough product for the comb to work for you. So it was good I didn't use enough product, so I could, find that out and tell you guys about it. So once I do the back, I'll gradually work my way up to the front. Same thing I'll be doing for the rest of my hair. For this part, I'm going to make the video pretty fast, just so I don't waste a lot of time. As you can see, the comb is pretty difficult to use here, and that's because I didn't add enough hair products, enough leave-in conditioner to make it easy for me. So that's the first thing you have to consider. Make sure you have enough products in your hair for it to work very well for you. And also work in small sections. This section I'm working on right now is pretty big. It's bigger than the first section that I was working on. So make sure you work in small sections. In that way, it's going to be very, very easy for you. I know it's going to be time consuming if you work in extremely small sections. But if you want your hair to be fully detangled, you have to do it. Probably just start early. If you're going somewhere, just make sure you start detangling your hair pretty early. One trick I also figured out is while detangling your hair, make sure you start from the tip and work your way to the root of your hair. That's the best way to detangle your hair, because if you want to start from the roots, it's going to be very hard for you to climb your way up to the tip. So always start from the tip of your hair, detangle, and gradually move to the bottom of your hair. And the good thing about this comb is that it's very, very easy to clean. It's very easy to take any hair that is stuck inside, like in seconds, compared to other hair brushes that I use. It's very easy to comb. It's very flexible, very easy to handle. It does not break into your hair compared to other Vivon comb, other hair brushes that have like very, very stiff bristle and then they break into your hair. This one is very flexible and it doesn't break into your hair. And it's cheap. The comb is actually very cheap. This comb, I feel like they're all the same. The ones that I've seen people do review on YouTube is the Easy Detangling Brush. This one, I got this one from Amazon, is actually called Best 2. So I don't know if that's the name of the company, but it does look exactly like the Easy Detangling Brush. I feel like you know, if you go to Amazon, you definitely find so many carriers of all this product, not just one person. So yeah, I got mine from Amazon, and I just wanted to review it too. You don't necessarily have to get it from the Easy Tech website. You can get it from Amazon. So that's all I have for you guys about this comb. It works perfectly good. It works awesome. It works wonders. Like anytime I'm rushing to work like this, I just spray water in my hair and just coming out. Very easy. Like in 2-3 minutes, I'm done. I'm ready. And I go to wherever I'm going. So the comb is really, really good. I would really recommend it for you guys. Just make sure, one, your hair is fully moisturized with water, with leave-in conditioner, with oil. Make sure you walk in extremely small sections. Not extremely small, but small enough for you to be able to comb or detangle your hair. You would know anytime you section your hair and it doesn't work for you, reduce that section and continue working on it. That's how you figure out the best section to work with. Also, start from the tip of your hair and detangle all the way to the root of your hair. Never start from the root of your hair. So those are the 3 important tips that I have for you to be able to use this comb perfectly. And if you do that, you definitely love this comb. So yeah, I'm just going to continue detangling my hair, making sure I do all of those things I've told you guys. And in that process too, I'll also be chopping off all the relaxed hair that I still left in my hair. That's the good thing about conditioner or any creamy hair product. They help you to differentiate between the natural hair and the relaxed hair, which is awesome. So that's what I did not figure out actually when I did my big chop. If you ever want to do a big chop and you've allowed your natural hair to grow for a very long time, make sure you use like a leave-in conditioner or any cream that would help you to differentiate between the relaxed hair and the natural hair, so that in that way you're able to actually fully chop off the relaxed hair. So yeah, that's a very good tip I have for you guys. I hope you guys love this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, like, every good stuff. Call your friends, your people, everybody to come and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye. Watch till the end.